Hey guys, today we did a review on the Urban Decay Beached collection, and if you want to know my thoughts, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so today we're doing a review on the Urban Decay Beach collection, and it's called Beached. It's super cute. I'm obsessed with the packaging. I got NPR. This is not sponsored, but I love Urban Decay and I loved the packaging, so I'm excited to try it. This packaging is life. So now I'm just gonna get into it. This is gonna be like a nonchalant, like get ready with me type of video. So there's two bronzers in this collection. This one's called Sun-Kissed. So this one's called Sun-Kissed and this one's called Bronzed. Okay, so this one's gonna be probably too dark for me. So this one's bronzed and this one's Sun-Kissed. How cute is that packaging with the palm tree on it? It's freaking adorable. I'm gonna use the lighter color. It kind of does look a little orangey, but we'll see. This one's called Sun-Kissed, and I'm gonna go in with this first. I'm gonna contour a little bit. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the fluffier side. Okay, I like this because it's buildable, and that's something I like. You would rather put less and build it than more. Okay, I'm obsessed. I love this. Okay, let me try the darker one. I want to look really beachy today. Like I'm gonna blow out my eyes, but maybe use some color too. I just used the Sun-Kissed bronzer. Super buildable. It does go on sheer at first. Like it goes on super sheer at first, but I actually really like this. Like it's really, really pretty. That one was Sun-Kissed and the other darker one is called Bronzed. You know, you can probably get away with the bronzed one. It's a little bit darker, maybe it's a little bit more pigmented, but I mean, I think I look good. Okay guys, so I did my eyebrows. Not the best, but it's just like an easy get ready with me kind of time. I'm gonna wipe off my lips. We're gonna go in with their palette. Obsessed, deceased over this packaging. It is beautiful. Okay, super cute. Opens that way. Adorable. The colors, incredible. I like literally gag. It's hard for me to get excited about a new launch just because I'm like desensitized to makeup, but I'm like obsessed. Like it's the packaging that gets me. A+ on the packaging. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with the lightest color. It's called Salt, and it's like a nude for me, a nude color. I'm gonna go that all over my lid. I'm gonna put that all over my lid. Super pretty. I'm gonna go all the way up to my brow bone with that. Oh, and it leaves a sheen. Obsessed. Now, what do I want to do? I think I just want to like really focus on these, like really warming up my eye and then using like the blues somewhere in there, maybe in my inner corner or something. I don't know. I've never done that before, so I'm not really like, comfortable with it, but we're gonna go with it and see what happens. I'm just gonna really go in with some orange. Ugh, I love Urban Decay shadows. If you guys hear hammering, they're building a house outside, so they're hammering away. So like I said, I really want to bring it down and make it super smoky and like beachy vibes. So right now I'm just going to go with the transition in that darker color and just work it in to my crease. Try not to make it too muddy or anything. I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay concealer. Conceal it out. I don't know if you can see. I'm not doing a cut crease. I'm just concealing. I'm blanking it out. I'm not gonna do a cut crease. I'm gonna go in with this color. Stupid speed racers. And I'm gonna, How pretty. I'm gonna go with this color. It's called Plunge. And I'm definitely taking the plunge, so. I'm just gonna bring it up like this. And just try to blend it. This, I'm not gonna lie, this blue is really hard to blend. I shouldn't have put it on my lid. I should have put it as like an accent color. But if you're a better blender than I am, or makeup artist, then you probably got this, you know what I'm saying? I am just trying to live my life to the fullest, you know? Underneath my eye, I used their new Lucky, so they came out with 2 new pencils as well. I'm using their Lucky one. This one's like a gold one, but I want to use this Lucky one under my eyes. It has a bunch of glitter in it. I love it. You hear those birds? But like, I'm making it like the Olsen twin eye, you know, like really smoky brown underneath, which we will be good to go. Eyes are done. I actually really like the way they turned out. Super cute. I am gonna put some blush on because I feel like I need blush. I'm going in with Tarte blush. Tarte's Captivating blush. Okay, so let me go in again with the bronzer. Let's go in. This one is called Bronze. So this is the darker one. Oh, okay. So this one is more opaque than the other one. And we are beachy. We are freaking beachy. Love. Okay, I really love this. Okay, they came out with 3 lipsticks. Let's swatch them all for you. This one's called, what is this one called? Tower 1, I think. Oh, pretty. This one's called, no, Heat Wave. This one's called Heat Wave. I like that. Aesthetic. Packaging's so cute. This one's called Tower 1. This is like a really pretty lip topper. I might use that. Oh, but this one, I'm gonna use this one. This one's called 100 Degrees. I'm using this one. Oh, maybe I should. So Heat Wave, Tower 1, and 100 Degrees. So the Tower 1 is like a lip topper. Oh man, which one should I use? I think I should use the darker one because it's like the unexpected one. Heat Wave. No. Or should we go Bright Bitch? Okay, let's do this one first. Actually, let me put some highlight on. Hello. They didn't come with a it did not have a highlighter in this collection. So I'm putting my favorite one on. This is the Ofra one. Okay, let me get some setting spray in this bitch. Alright. I try to stay away from my eyes because I don't want it to fall down. Okay, so we're gonna try this bright one first and see if we like. Pretty. What do you guys think? It's okay. I feel like I'm gonna like the other one better. So let's try the other one on. This is the Heat Wave one. Let's try it. Oh my god, this is cool. This is just different. Okay guys, so there's the end of my review. I loved this collection. It's such a cute collection. The only thing I did not like out of anything in the collection is the Tower 1 lipstick. I just felt like it nothing really came of it. It's kind of like a balm with some glitter. It's cute. The aesthetic is adorable. I love it. I keep saying the aesthetic, but I'm just telling you, like, I'm into it. I'm into the beach. If I were to get the bronzer, any bronzer out of this collection, this one is like a one swipe type of bronzer, and it's the darker one. This one's just called Bronzed. It's really pretty. I loved this bronzer. And of course, the eyeshadow palette, gorgeous. I loved it. The blues are a little hard to blend out, but I think that was user error. My skin's really dry, and I'll save you the excuses, but very cute. I think it's different from what they've done in the past. Yes, it's like one of the Naked palettes, and like this is like the Naked Heat, but this right here is worth it. I think it's really pretty, and it's just different. Yeah. So if you have the Naked Heat, you might want to skip out on this, but really pretty. I really do like these colors, and I love the packaging. Even when they just did this thing, I love it. I really do like this liner too. It's like a really, here, let me just try to swatch it for you. And I need to, the glitteriness of this, it's a really cute. Oh, and this one's glittery too, but this is like gold. Ooh, I wonder if I can, it doesn't look as good. I'm not gonna do that. But there is the liners. Glittery, perfect, beautiful. So out of both of the liners, I actually recommend this one. It's called Lucky, and I really love it for like smudging under the under eye. Like it has a little bit of glitter in it, and I think it actually looks really pretty. It makes your eyes dance, you know what I mean? Just like a little bit of a sparkle. It's cute. Yeah, so that's the collection, those two bronzers. The other one is a little light, so if you're very fair skinned, like fair skinned, recommend that one. If not, if you're like mine and darker, like my skin tone and darker, I recommend this one. On darker skin tones, I'm not sure if this is gonna show up. I mean, why don't you try it? You could always return it if you go to Ulta. Like, I love Ulta and Sephora. They just return things. Even Nordstrom's does too. Anyways, I hope you guys liked the review. I really liked the look, and I like how it came out. The lip is actually really cool. If you guys like the review, let me know down below, and let me know what you guys want to see next. I really do like doing reviews, tutorials, all that kind of stuff. I'm going to start doing a little bit more of like a personal sit down kind of vlog just to talk to you guys, because I have a lot to say about a lot of stuff. My hair is crazy. Anyways, I will see you guys later.